Unlock your creativity. Start your animation journey today. Have you ever watched an animated film or video and thought, wow, how do they create that? If so, you're not alone. Animation is an exciting and magical art form that brings stories, characters, and ideas to life. Whether you want to make cartoons, design motion graphics, or create stunning visual effects, animation offers endless opportunities to express your creativity. The best part, you don't need to be an expert to start. Here's why you should learn animation. Tell your stories. Animation helps you share your imagination and ideas with the world in a unique, engaging way. Explore technology and art. Learn how to use cutting-edge tools while honing your artistic skills. Endless opportunities. From movies and gaming to marketing and education, animation is everywhere. Fun and rewarding. The joy of seeing your creations come to life is unmatched. Start with Flipaclip. If you're new to animation, Flipaclip is the perfect tool to get you started. It's a user-friendly app that lets you create frame-by-frame animations right on your phone or tablet. With its simple interface and powerful features, you can sketch and draw your own animations. Add sound effects and music to make your creations pop. Experiment with layers and tools to refine your art. Share your animations with friends or on social media. So, what are you waiting for? Take the first step toward mastering animation. Start small, stay curious, and let your creativity flow, because the world is waiting to see what you can create. Ready to begin your adventure? Download Flipaclip from your Respect store, jump into animation, and watch your imagination take flight. Watch the next video to begin. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Be for now, one love.